Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with flip-down travel rack, LED exterior lighting, outside shower, stabilizer jacks, automatic leveler, roof ladder, outside kitchen refrigerator, sink, and stovetop, triple step entry, single slide, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, outside speakers, overhead kitchen storage, windows at each bunk, vanity with sink, sink covers, 2 ACs, tire pressure monitors, front bedroom, LED interior lighting, closets on both sides of the bed, 3-burner cooktop, living room fireplace, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth stereo system, bunkhouse wardrobe, walk-around queen bed, kitchen pantry, dual lights over headboard, USB charging station, TV hookup in bedroom. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.